Hey guys, this is Manoj here from techunit.com. I am back with another video after a long time, and this is going to be an interesting one. I've got you an awesome update regarding the Honor 8X smartphone. So the Honor 8X smartphone has got the EMUI 9 official beta, and today we are going to see more on that. So without much further ado, let's get started. So here I have the Honor 8X smartphone with me, as you can see, and if you're wondering what's the red color thing over here, it's a skin from Gadget Shield. I'll leave a link in the description below, you can go and check them out. So proceeding on to the video, Huawei or Honor recently started the open beta testing for Honor 8X based on Android 9 Pie, and I enrolled for that beta testing through the beta application that is present on Honor's website. As you can see over here, this is the activity, that is the beta test for Android 9 Pie, and today officially they have started rolling out the Android 9 Pie beta for Honor 8X JSN L-42 Indian users. So going into settings and clicking on system update, as you can see over here, we have got an update for EMUI 9.0.1.132, and the update size is a whopping 3.10 GB, as you can see. Let me bring the camera closer and show you the changelog. So as you can see in the changelog, it is showing that new software upgrade is available for our device, and this will upgrade our system to Android P version. And as this is a beta build, they have given all the disclaimer and the pre-upgrade considerations. So let me download the 3.16 GB file of this Honor 8X smartphones update, and I'll be right back once the download is complete. The download is now complete. My internet is fairly fast. I have 300 megabit connection, so download was fairly fast. And so update has now been downloaded. I am clicking on install now. I'll install this update and I'll be right back after the installation is done, and let us see what are all the new features in EMUI 9. So the smartphone is officially booted into the EMUI 9 now. So let me go into the settings and show you the Android version over here. Going into the about phone, as you can see over here, it is clearly written that the device name is Honor 8X and the model is JSN L-42, and the build number is 9.0.132 based on Android version 9, and the EMUI version is 9.0.1. So as you can see, Android Pie is finally running on Honor 8X smartphone. So let me quickly walk you through what are all the new features and what are all have improved and what are all the negatives in this update that I have observed. So quickly let's get started with one by one. The first thing that has changed is the quick tiles menu. As you can see over here, the quick tiles have got a facelift and the icons are now more materialized and more rounded and look stylish too. And the second thing is the settings menu. The settings menu has also seen a facelift, and there are some minor cosmetic changes here and there. And the feature that has been added here is the digital balance. So digital balance is an Android Pie feature, and it will show you the average time spent on your smartphone this week, the screen on time, the apps which you are using, and the number of duration that you are using that particular app, and so on. So this is a nifty little feature from Android Pie. Next up, let me show you the camera interface too, if there's any changes over there. So jumping into the camera interface, Honor 8X recently got many camera updates, and going into the settings and seeing over there, there isn't any changes in the camera application as far as I can see over here. And in the video too, let's check if this EIS enabled, and sadly still there is no support for EIS on Honor 8X, as you can see over here. But there are two new resolution, there are two new video recording formats, that is H.265 and H.264. When it comes to the Google camera support in EMUI 9, I have a bad news for you. Unfortunately, Google camera has been disabled by Huawei in this EMUI 9.0 update, and that's pretty unfortunate, and hope Huawei or Honor listens to our feedback and brings back the support for Google camera on this Honor 8X smartphone. As of now, in EMUI 9, Google camera is not working. So if you are a person who is looking for Google camera support, then stay away from this update and kindly be on the EMUI 8.2 update. Moving on to the next change, that is in the dialer app. As you can see over here, the dialer has seen some slight modification and the icons look cool now. And the next minor change that you can see over here is the volume slider. As you can see over here, the volume slider has also seen a minor cosmetic change. And so these are the minor differences or changes in the EMUI 9 update. The major change is in the performance and battery life. So talking about the performance has slightly improved, and EMUI 9 claims that it improves the performance by up to 28%. And talking about the battery life on the smartphone, I have updated this smartphone quite a few hours before, and the battery drain is actually huge. I am repeating it again, the battery drain is huge. It's dropping like 1% for every 1 minute, and this is really bad. I'm not sure if this is the issue only on my handset. I'll try to reset my handset once and check, but for as of now, the battery drain issue is persisting. And also, if you're planning to update this to the EMUI 9 beta, I'll suggest you to wait for a few days so that the bugs are squashed, and then you can go ahead with the new update. So thank you guys for watching this video. This was a short video on the EMUI 9 for Honor 8X smartphone. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, and for more such videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.